Hi, today I want to show you how we can add animation for items with Divi theme. First, let's enable Visual Builder. Just like this. So, we want to make this and this have some animation on scroll. To do it, you should click Settings, click Design, scroll down, click Animation. After you can choose the one you want, like fade, slide, bounce, flip, fold, etc. So usually websites use or fade or slide. Let's choose slide, choose the direction, left, right, animation duration like, wow, really slow. Pretty fast. Something like this is good. You can check some other settings here. The same you can do with text. Click Design, scroll down, click Animation, slide, direction left, and choose the same speed, or leave it as it is. The same you can do for whole columns and for whole section, like Design, Animation, and you see the same. Let's check how it works on front end. I copied it, so we have scroll. Let's check how it works on page. Let's scroll. Cool, works exactly how we want it. You can add animation for any elements on the page, for each small element. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.